Welcome to RaceToyTime!
Hello guys, today we're going to build this Lego Creator Power Digger. What I like about this Lego Creator is that you can create or build 3 different designs. You can create a front loader, power digger, and a dump truck. Now, let's open up the box. This Lego Creator comes with 64 pieces. Let's start building now. Let's build the dump truck first. Here's the dump truck. Let's play with this. Let's make the front loader. Here's the front loader, but actually, it looks more like a skid steer. Anyhow, let's play with this. And lastly, let's make the power digger. Here's the power digger. It's like an excavator. Let's play with this.
Well, you could if you tried. Here he comes.
Now let's see the real thing. And while we do, we will learn the names of these big machines. That is an articulated dump truck. There's an excavator. Here's the bulldozer.
Look, he's gonna go dump the sticks, huh?
Here's a front loader.
Look, Race, here comes the bucket loader. It's coming back. They're gonna put more sticks in there. Those tools are really cool, I like them. Now watch.
Here's a dump truck.
Big white dump truck, huh, Race? You don't want to look anymore? Hey, there's another dump truck coming, Race. It's gonna probably be full in like 1 or 2 more scoops. Those excavators are cool, I like them. See? The red one is leaving already. It kind of does. See, now when the red one leaves, there the other one comes up behind it. And now the all red one is going to get filled up. Look, he's dumping. That was cool, huh? I guess they just keep making new piles of dirt, huh? Here comes the dump truck. Hang on. Just hang on to me. Wow. I got him. Scooby's looking at the dump truck too. Wave to the dump truck, man.
And lastly, the compactor.
It's a nice compactor. The compactor made all these dents in the ground. See, it squishes down the soil, Race, see?
Okay, let's hang out in the excavator.
I think we could catch you in that. It doesn't go very fast.
I'm a mountain climber.
Come on, pal. Let's go.
But how am I not falling off?
Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more fun videos here at RaceToyTime. Thank you for watching.